Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. Are you hear me?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes,
Okay. Had your dinner?
yes. I had dinner. I had dinner. What about you? Have you had a dinner?
Yes.
Okay,
I
what you
had
had?
I had my dinner at 8 o'clock
8 o'clock.
with my
What?
baby.
What you had?
I had today vegetables, dal.
Vegetable dal.
Yes.
Well, I had fish.
Oh, it's nice. You like fish?
Yes. Yeah, I really like a fish, but it's a fried fish only. I really don't like curry fish. Fried fish.
Okay. You like
Fried
fry
fish.
item?
Yeah, I like fried item and
Okay.
stuff like a cocktail or fast food. I really love and enjoy fast food as well.
Okay. You prepare. You are only eater.
I can prepare as well. I know very well how to prepare.
Okay.
Yeah, I know really very well that I'm fond of having food, but as well as I can prepare myself.
Oh,
hmm So
it's good thing.
yeah, I'm versatile kind of a character. I can do anything. I'm praising myself.
It's you are multi-talented.
Yes, yes, you could say like that.
God give that talent to you.
Yes, God bless me. Thank you, God.
Yes,
Give me
yes,
a
yes.
friend.
God bless you.
Yes, yes, thank you. So, tell me more, dear. How's things with you today? How you spend your day today?
Every day most I spend time with my baby.
Mm-hmm.
I played
How
with
old?
her.
How old she is?
She's 3 years old now.
3 years old. Yeah. What's her name?
Her name Sheena. Sheena Grace.
Tina Grace. Tina Grace. Okay.
Yes.
Tell me about your Cambly journey. Are you learning something or what? Or just enjoying?
Yes. I learned a lot of knowledge through
Mm-hmm.
Cambly. Before I started Cambly, I feel very nervous to speak others. I have
Mm-hmm.
some nervous, but today I am so feel free to speak out. I
Yeah.
don't feel any nervous. And also I speak out confidently. What I speak out,
Yes,
it
yes,
has
I see.
right or wrong. So
Yes,
it is
yes,
so
I see.
helpful me.
Mm-hmm.
I am in Cambly past 3 months.
Yeah.
It is so helpful me too.
Okay. Since last past 3 months, you are taking classes from Cambly. Okay.
Yes.
So how much money did you spend in Cambly?
I spent it's give me some offer to me. I spent 9,000.
Uh, 3 months, 9,000.
Yes.
So how many hours they taking classes? Like in a week or in a monthly class? How many classes you attend in?
Yes, weekly it gives me weekly 3 classes in 15 minutes per day.
Each class 15 minutes
Yes, each class 15 minutes in a day.
in a day. It's mean
Yes.
3 days in a week.
Yes, you are right.
So it's like three, six, 12, 12 classes in a month.
Yes.
That's fine. That's fine. The main thing is you got confidence. You are not hesitating, and you learn lots of things. That's money is not matter. The matter is that
Yes.
you are good.
Yes. First I feel now today very free to speak out.
Mm-hmm. And what
And
other things are you
also I
applying?
get some knowledge
Yes,
how
yes.
I learn English, what is need.
Mm-hmm. And what other stuff that you are following that to improve your English? What other stuff?
I follow to read, and also
Mm-hmm.
I listen some music and also some audios for especially vocabulary to improve my English.
Yes, yes, yes. I see.
I
Well,
also,
that
and also I saw in your videos you also talking with Cambly tutors. It is right?
yeah. Well, in my initial stage, I used to speak with the Cambly, but well, that's fine. But I really don't think that the Cambly is useful within a 15 minute,
Yeah,
and
yes, you are right.
I really don't like that within a 15 minutes a person cannot learn a language. Well, talking with the native tutor, I understand that it's helpful, but you know, only a 15 minute, that's not gonna enough. That's not gonna enough. They're charging lots of amount, they're charging from dollar. They thought that we are earning in a dollar, but no, that's not reality. We are earning in rupees. So they might reduce their some amount, the charge very high. Don't you think
Yes.
that? Don't you think so?
Yes, it is very high amount.
Yeah. So a normal person is not no, cannot afford. Even
Pay.
I cannot
Yes.
afford. I cannot
Yes.
afford. But how I manage, I know that how I manage. I refer Cambly to my friend and family member. Whenever they subscribe, I got some fee, 10 minutes,
Yes.
sometimes 10, sometimes 15 minutes. So that's how I learn from Cambly. That's only. But in my whole journey, I didn't get subscription from Cambly.
Oh,
I I didn't get any, I didn't spend any single amount of my money that I spend in money. I didn't spend any money, any amount in Cambly.
okay. But in beginners, it is will helpful.
No, I don't think so. Beginner won't understand what they are trying to say.
I mean, what it is mean beginners. What I feel like me,
Mm-hmm.
it is helpful not getting knowledge
Mm-hmm.
because but I firstly I think I feel very free to speak out.
Mm-hmm.
Before that, I could not speak out English because I feel very nervous. What they think I am speaking, it is very wrong thing.
Mm-hmm.
But today
Well,
I speak out very freely.
well, in my opinion, that a beginner person will learn something from a local guy or a conversation from other people. And then if you wanted to if you wanted to improve their accent, or if you want to find your difficulty while speaking with others, so you can go through the Cambly. But in you are in initial stage right now and you are choosing Cambly, it's mean that it's the wrong decision. It's my opinion. It's my
Okay.
opinion. You should practice locally first of all, and then
Yes.
you are in intermediate level, then you can go through the Cambly to understand the stuff, what's going on, that how you can perform very well from the front of the native speaker. That's what I think. That's what I think about Cambly.
Yes.
And what do you think about that? We should develop the Cambly same as the Cambly as an Indian app. So it's gonna be a cheaper than a Cambly. What do you think about that?
I think Ingo, you know about Ingo?
Yes, I know the Ingo, but they are also charging very high amount. And
Okay,
this
I
is not the
don't know
Indian
about
app.
that.
It's not an Indian app. It's some South Asian Pacific countries app. So most of the people they are from Philippines, Thailand, and the American as well. So they're charging high amount.
Yes, negative speakers speaking very well, I think.
That's because of they are native. Like you are master in your language in your Tamil. You can teach
Telugu,
Tamil anybody. Sorry,
Telugu,
Telugu.
Telugu.
Yeah, you can teach Telugu anyone. That's because of this is Telugu is your native language. You're talking Telugu from since your childhood. So you are a master in Telugu. It means that you are a master. The same as the thing that they are master in the language. So it takes time to learn a language. That this is not our native language. It takes time. Like for me, that I'm gonna learn a Telugu. It took me a long time to learn a Telugu, and for you to learn a Gujarati, it will take long time to learn a Gujarati language. It happens.
Yes.
Yeah, it happens. While you're learning something, it happens.
Yes. But it's a higher education because test. I mean IELTS, TOEFLs.
Mm-hmm.
It is will helpful to pronounce English.
Yes, yes. You are right. You are right,
But,
my
but
dear.
it's between you and me conversation. It's very well.
Yeah.
It can understand both of us. But higher studies and higher education, it's not possible. It's not correct our English.
Yes.
Get some get some words,
Yeah.
vocabulary.
Yeah. We need some more vocabulary words, some deep word, a
Yes.
root word. You know.
Yes.
I see. But anyhow, we are conveying our message to each other. That means that we are speaking.
Yes. Yes. So some peoples will help to this video.
Yeah, definitely people will, go through this video and they definitely will learn something from this video.
Yes.
This is called a normal conversation, basic conversation that we are conveying
Yes.
message to each other, and we both are understand to
Each and
everyone.
every word. Yes.
Yeah, we understand everything.
But they also native tutors also speak out very fluently in normal stage.
Mm, I see.
They speak to us what you need,
Mm,
classes or conversation. What
yes, yes.
if I speak in higher English, they
Mm,
speak out also higher English.
yes,
They
yes.
can they can talk with us what I
Mhm.
which level you are in, intermediate
Yes.
level or beginners, like that.
Yeah, that's fantastic. That's true. But the thing is the point is money. Money is matter. Money is
Yes.
totally a matter. What 9,000 for 3 months and each class,
Yes.
that
Yes.
that's well, you
It's
should
not.
think about it. It's not
Yes.
gonna
It's
work.
not. Yes. It's not effort to
Yeah, it's not affordable for me, especially for me. I
media.
really don't know about you are rich lady.
No, you don't think like that. I am a middle class family.
Yeah.
You don't have also job also. You don't
Yes, yeah.
think like that.
I sorry for that.
Yes, but I think it is will helpful me too, and also, but it is not. I told you that I
Mm-hmm.
spent only 9,000. It is will
Mm-hmm.
helpful me like 2,000 or 3,000
Yeah.
because I told already. I told you.
I see. I see.
Yes, and also if regularly practice classes,
Mm-hmm.
Cambly classes, it is very helpful. Gain knowledge.
Yeah.
And also pronunciation, it is very important to go out abroad like that.
Yes. Yes. You are right, dear.
Yes. But they need only basic English, they not
Mm-hmm.
go for Cambly.
Yeah. If you
They
are
go
in
for
like
these videos like conversation videos.
yeah, they go for this kind of a video, and then
Yes.
when they enter in the intermediate level or upper mediate, so they can go
Yes.
through the campus. But in the
Yes.
in initial stage, I suggest most of the people in initial stage go through the Cambly. Wait,
Yes.
wait. You should wait.
Yes, you are right.
Yes. Okay then, Mr. My dear, it's had a great time to you. I think that's
Okay.
enough. Okay.
Okay.
Okay then. See you. Take care. Take care.
Okay. Take care. Bye bye.